To utilize Torrid Rewards, it's essential to understand how to earn and redeem points. Earning points is straightforward. For every dollar spent while shopping, 1 point is awarded. Once 250 points are accumulated, rewards of $10, $15, or $20 are given. Additionally, points can be earned by opening daily marketing emails, sharing product reviews, and sharing products on social media platforms like Facebook or Pinterest to earn points during online transactions. Simply log into your Torrid account at checkout. For in-store purchases, provide your email address, phone number, and Torrid Rewards number at the checkout counter. To redeem points, apply them at checkout for online purchases by selecting the desired reward and clicking Apply. A maximum of 10 rewards can be used per transaction. For in-store purchases, inform the Torrid associate that you'd like to apply your rewards, and there's no limit to the number of rewards that can be used. Overall, using Torrid Rewards is a simple process.